Hey, students, good morning. Today we will start the sum of the n terms of NGP. We have already done this article, and I am doing one important questions also. Find the sum of n terms of NGP. The first we write the formula. Sum of n terms means A into 1 minus r raised to power n upon 1 minus r if r is less than 1. And second condition is a into 1 minus r raised to power n minus 1 upon r minus 1 if mod of r is greater than 1. We use this formula. How we use this formula? The sum of, we have done already so many questions of this, but this is a special type of this question, that is the sum of n terms of the sequence 5 plus 5 5 plus 5 5 5 up to so on. Find the sum of n terms of the sequence. If this is sequence, then plus sign is not given to you. This. Now see here. This is a sequence. First we write this in series. 5 plus 5 5 5 plus 5 5 5 up to so on, up to n turns. This is not an AP, this is not an GP. If you subtract this, then you will get 50. And when you divide this, get 11. When this 5 divided by 55, you get another number. This is not an AP, neither AP nor GP. Then take 5 as common from all the terms. You get 1 plus 1 1 1 plus 1 1 1 up to so on, up to n terms. मैंने 5 common ले लिए सबसे. After the common, taking the common, 5, 9 is always multiplied by 9. 9 से multiply, 9 से divide. Multiply में अंदर multiply कर रहा हूँ, and divide we write outside. 9 9 plus 9 999 up to so on, up to n terms. We are multiplying by 9 plus 11 into 9 99. 1011 is multiplied by 9 is 9900 up to n terms. 5 upon 9 we write like this. Now we convert this 9 into 10 minus 1. 99 is converted into 100 minus 1. 1000 is converted into 1000 minus 1 up to so on, up to n terms. Now, our question arises in your mind is, sir, why you have multiplied by 9? Why you have not multiplied by 7? If we multiply by 7 here, 7, 7, 7, so on, then 7 can be written as 10 minus 3, and 97, 100 minus 3, but here that is not an GPG. One term is making an GP, other term is neither AP nor GP. So this is only a 9 number that can be multiply and divide. That only a 9 number which helps to form an GP. Only a 1 number, that is 9. I will now separate this 100 plus 10 plus 100 plus 1000 up to n terms. We have break this series into two parts. 10, 100 plus 1000 in separately, minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 up to n terms. Now again 5 upon 9. This form as GP. Here A equal to 10, R equal to again 100 divided by 10 is again 10. 10 is greater than 1, and the formula is Sn A R raised to power n minus 1 upon 10 minus 1. Minus this 1 is repeating n times, n into 1. That is 5 upon 9 into 10, multiply 10 raised to power n plus 1 minus 10 divided by 9 minus n, which is equal to 5 upon 9. Take 9 as LCM. Take 9 as LCM, 10 raised to power n plus 1 minus 10 minus 9 n divided by 9, and total answer is, finally answer is 5 upon 81, 10 raised to power n plus 1 minus 10 minus 9 n. This is the answer, complete answer of this question. And you can do same type of the questions. For example, if here 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, so many questions you have done like this. This is the method for finding the sum of the n terms where the given sequence is neither AP nor GP. Now next article is sum of infinite terms, sum of infinite geometrical, the sum of infinite GP. As we know that the sum of n terms of a GP is A into 1 minus r raised to power n upon 1 minus r when r mod of r is less than 1. We multiply this inside the A minus a r raised to power n upon 1 minus r. Separate them ji. A upon 1 minus r minus a r raised to power n upon 1 minus r. Since r is numerically less than 1, numerically less than 1, r raised to power n decreases as n increases. Larger value of the n, the larger value of n, the sum of the smaller will be the value of r. Smaller will be the value of r raised to power n. कहने का मतलब सिंपल है कि if n approaches to infinity means this implies r raised to power n approaches to 0. So putting r raised to power n is equal to 0 in 1 in this equation, then s infinity is equal to a upon 1 minus r minus a into 0 upon 1 minus r. S infinity is equal to a upon 1 minus r. We have done this article already, and here we can write as first term divided by 1 minus common ratio. And we do one more question. The here question is prove that, how we apply this in the questions, prove that 3 raised to power 1 by 2 into 3 raised to power 1 by 4 into 3 raised to power 1 upon 8 up to so on is equal to 3. देखिए यहाँ पर question start from here. 3 raised to power 1 by 2 into 3 raised to power 1 by 4 into 3 raised to power 1 by 8 up to so on. Bases are same, powers are added, 1 upon 3 raised to power 1 upon 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 up to so on. Up to so on means up to infinite. Here A equal to 1 by 2, R is equal to 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2. And sum of infinite term means 3 raised to power first term divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. 3 raised to power 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 cancel, which is equal to 3. Here A is equal to 1 by 2 and R is equal to this, and formula of infinite is A upon 1 minus R. We apply this formula here. That's all. Thank you.